Jatend piny Kithure Kindiki koni lokruok mowinjore nyaka timie sekta mar majan chai mondo mi jopur kaachiel gi piny owacho nwang' yuto makare. Kindiki mane loso Mombasa bang' yore romo manokelo kanyakla jogo manie sekta mar majan koni ywaruok mosebedo kadhi nyime e sekta no osebedo karocho nengo mar majan kaachiel kod rang'iny mar majan migolo e puothe. E sechegogo jatend migawo mar pur Andrew Karanja bende nokoni piny owacho onego ket maino e manyo chirni mamoko e pinje ma oko mar gayo wach mar majan diwe pacho ka nikech nok mar chirni to chutho e pinje ma oko. Magi ne giwacho bang' yango ni majan chai mar Kenya en achiel kuom mago makelo mwandu mathoth mag ne Kenya.
Of value addition. Now we are saying with the plans put in place on value addition, we want to sell our tea at the price of gold because tea is called for our farmers, it is called for this country because of the foreign earning. So that is a channel.
Going forward, we will be kindly requesting you, Your Excellency, to lead some of the missions to go out to the countries where we can even sell more tea. Because the volumes are growing, we need to market that tea. The other challenge, and which is a good challenge also, is that we also need to improve on our quality. We know Kenyan tea is good quality, but there are certain areas where we need to improve on quality.
The reform in the tea sector must succeed by all means possible. There are no two ways about it. There will be no roadblock. There will be no obstacle. There will be no hurdle. We will succeed for the sake of our country and for the sake of the farmers who sweat out to make sure that they give us this proud product that we sell and boast of all over the world. Mimi najua hapo kutakuwa na matatizo, lakini tutaendelea. We will reform our tea sector because if it is giving us this value with all the challenges, you can imagine what it will do if we removed the challenges we have.